overcome since they were not so amazing. It was a troublesome situation. We reached Bhubaneswar at around 12:26 and we were totally I would say that sleepy. I was sleepy, and while I was discussing that I don't find any hotels to eat anything. What happened, Sandeep? Why didn't we find any hotel
Because of
restaurant?
cholera spread nearby Panipuri and Jajpur area, all the hotels were asked to be closed. So we couldn't find anything. Somehow we managed to get a biryani. Post which we started for Bhubaneswar.
And the biryani was good in taste. And
Though I was scared like hell because of this cholera wala thing.
I was okay since I wasn't much aware that what is the current situation and scenario and situation of this particular virus which is spreading around. But it was what should I say? When I saw a lot of ambulance moving here and there,
Yeah, ambulance movement was
that
quite a lot.
scared the shit out of me. And the drive experience was really great. The roads are fine. From my village till Bhubaneswar, I would say that all the state highways and NH, everything is going great. Then we slept in car itself. We tried couple of hotels, but they charged us bomb looking at the situation that it is night. So we managed happily inside car, and in the meanwhile my husband got a really bad panicking headache. So I slept until 3:30. I slept from 1 o'clock to 3:30. Post that I just woke up and saw his conditions. It was unbearable. Bichara, he didn't even wake me up. How can someone do like this? Why you did so? Why didn't you wake me up?
I thought why should I disturb her anyways, he's sleeping.
And what about you? Who will take care of you?
Let's see.
When I woke up, I asked him to have a couple of biscuits. We had a small packet of Maska Chaska. He had some biscuit. Meanwhile, he already drank half liter of water. I gave him some Vicks. He rubbed in his forehead, and in order to inhale, he made a Mickey Mouse nose with Vicks, and somehow he slept. I checked him until 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Post that I switched off the AC of the car, and I also slept for a good 41 minutes, and he slept for a couple of hours. How do you feel post sleeping?
Now it's better.
You're feeling good.
Yeah.
We went to Reliance. We bought some sauce, some oyster sauce, some fish sauce, some vinegar, and some dark soy sauce as such. I just picked up stuff. They were luring ice creams of Baskins and Robbins, but it is too pricey. Because I have purchased them in a lot cheaper price, so I found it a bit pricey. I thought the weather is not as such that I need an ice cream. Then we just moved out of Reliance. What did we do? Then we hunted
We
for
had
a breakfast stop,
An amazing breakfast.
and I was hunting for idli sambar since many days. So we had a great breakfast. It was a combination of Mayurbhanj and South India. So the breakfast was, mine was idli, puri puri, vada, and aloo chop. What did you have?
2 vada, 2 aloo chop, and 1 puri.
And all this for 30 rupees per person. For 60 bucks, we had great breakfast. Like it did in a house, it is very tough to prepare all these items together. We also had uttapam and upma, but my belly was almost full, and my husband's was too. And then we are heading towards Puri. So far so good. Everything is great.
And
No concern.
Once we reached Bhubaneswar, we got around 19.9 km per liter mileage.
Oh wow, this is a good thing.
Yeah. And post we woke up, it was down to 17. Reason being we slept with AC.
For a couple of hours.
Yeah.
I haven't shared one thing. I have a little pet, and my pet is very unique.
Hey, one
which
more
is
thing.
just a moment.
Yeah.
Which is served in plates, and it is a favorite food of many people. So I'm raising a small boiler chicken. I got it with me since there was no one to look after it in house, so I just bought him in car itself, and it is also traveling with us. And it ate one full aloo chop since last night till today morning, and it is very happy and enjoying. I can understand its emotions. I'm very closely living with it, so I can understand a lot of them, what he wants, when he needs food, when he is affectionate, when he is scared, how he hides. Someday I'll share those stories as well. Sandeep, you're saying something? I interrupted you.
So we did the full tank of our driver, and post the full tank, you can show it over here. So it's a full tank.
It is not visible.
It's a full tank.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I can't capture it in the ongoing trip. You can read them out of for us.
So we covered around 20 kilometers from the time we did the refueling. Now we are getting an average of 20.2. You can show this. I just reset my meter, and this is what I am getting now.
Let me see if I can capture that.
If you observe, this 20.2. So driver is a good vehicle. 20 is not expected from driver. That too in petrol, not in CNG.
प्लीज़ ये ड्राइवर का माइलेज सुन के धोखा मत खाइए. जब रास्ते अच्छे होते हैं, NH काइंड ऑफ स्टफ, जहाँ पे उतार चढ़ाव कम है, स्पीड ब्रेकर ज़्यादा नहीं है, ज़्यादा रश नहीं है, तब ये अच्छी माइलेज दे देता है. Where it is in mountain terrains, it is a bit off. Someday I'll definitely share an update with those terrains as well. But in North India and South India, where the roads infrastructure is really very great, in Odisha as well. This is a part of Odisha where we get good infra of road and everything. So we get a good mileage. Post we fuel up, we drove around 450 kilometers, and we fueled our tank till 26.5 liters.
That too after sleeping, you can see. For 2 hours at least.
And there was on and off of AC for 2 hours. Accumulative timing which we turn on AC is for 2 hours. This bus is blocking my view. I'm not asking you to overtake it, but yeah. Banana.